in this video, what we are trying to depict and illustrate is the power of the symmetrical triangle and the effects if the triangle actually breaks down, how the targets are achieved. So here you are seeing this is real-time MCX half-hour silver chart. So the ticks are of half hours, and this is somewhere on 23rd of September when silver was somewhere around 39,890. So we can take 39,900 and so. And in the two further trading sessions, it touched a low of 38,700 thereabouts. So nearly what you can say is a 1200 point move, and then the prices started moving upwards, and then the prices reached to a point of 39,500, 600 level. Then they made a further low, and then at this level, you or somewhere at this level, you had your symmetrical triangle. Now, if you ever want to get what exactly is the symmetrical triangle, the prices actually starts coiling up. That means you have a lower high and a higher low, and then again further you have a lower high and a higher low, and somewhere, and this is known as the apex. So the basic general rule is that somewhere if this is the length of the triangle, at the length of 2 by 3 of the length, the prices should actually make a breakout, either upwards or either downwards. So here what we are saying is that only one minor, what you can say, a misfit for a textbook case of a triangle is that the prices traversed much further than the 2 by 3rd length of the symmetrical triangle from the apex to the base. And you never get a textbook classic case of a symmetrical triangle, but this particular triangle fits the bill. So here what you see on this particular day of 30th September, that means after 4 or 5 trading sessions, when the pattern has been formed, a breakout was imminent, and at a particular level of 39,200 or so, the breakout seemed imminent, and somewhere we initiated a short position right at this place in this region. And when the breakout was there, so we always know that when the breakout are on the downward side, prices tends to move lower very quickly. So as it took around 5 days to make the pattern form, it took simply 5 ticks, so you can say 2.5 3 hours to reach out to a further target. So price descended till a level of 38,600 or so, and this first call of ours, where the short in the silver at particular date of 30th September was initiated, was taken care of. Now what very interesting happened was a classic pullback, and so what John Magee says is that the pullback happens to this particular line, this particular trend line, and so somewhere in that vicinity when the breakout happened, pullback happened, and then came this bearish engulfing thing. And this was in particular for a very conservative trader at this particular level of 38,900 or so, a beautiful short position should have initiated, and we further initiated a short position at this level. And so there were two positions which were initiated, and so after just you can say 4 hours or so, a further short position was initiated at around 38,900. Now we were very mindful of the fact that a breakout did happen. Then there was a classic pullback, and then at this particular level the call was being initiated at 38,900. So we actually has to understand our risk. The stop was somewhere in the region of 39,200, so the risk was about around 300 points. And if you want to have a target, so we were knowing that the base or this particular height of the triangle, the prices will move further down. So it was around 100 to 1,200 points. So we initiated with a caveat at around 600 points. That means after 38,900, if we subtract 600, so somewhere in the region of 38,300, 38,200, we will take out our profit, which actually happened. And in further 2 hours, the prices moved down and fulfilled the targets. So this is the power of a symmetrical triangle which we use in our trading systems, and we are very, what we can say, are fan of this particular pattern, and particularly in the hourly or half hourly charts. And this is a classic textbook case of a pullback and then a bearish pattern, and which makes you to go for a particular what you can say a short call here with a particular target of 600 points with a risk of around 300 points, which is a 2-hour call, what we say in terms of multiples, risk reward multiples. And so this was a beautiful 2-hour call at this particular level, and somewhere around at 8 o'clock on 30th of September, this was a fantastic call that we have given, and the clients get benefited. Apart from that, for a day trading or a intraday trading or like a swing trading perspective, this pattern works fantastic. This breakdown do give you much more easily the money that you are looking forward to, while because that is your sole objective to trade, which is a very difficult exercise in the world. Before leaving, and I would like to say that if anybody wants to get around with the symmetrical triangle and its literature, the best possible that I have found in my trading career is from John Magee, and you can go through the symmetrical triangle chapter, read it every single line, and you will feel a great feel. You further need nothing after that. If you further want to delve into the statistics of that, you have Mr. Bulkowski's symmetrical triangle pattern, and that makes you go with. You can just come to the real world, spot a few triangles, wait for it, and then go for it. The beauty here was a pullback and then a bearish triangle. The clear point was that where you can put up your stop, so it was 39,200, 39,300, and the clear point was where you have to take your profits. It was a beautiful 2-hour trade. A symmetrical triangle fits well in our trading system. Thank you.